Okay, let's see what happens. We have about a minute. We got a tired little boy here. And the Roomba should be starting. There we go. Here we go. Don't know if you heard the sound. He's not moving. He only moved because I touched him and he's like, pet me. Pet me. Pet me, Mommy. Don't you know that's why you exist? To pet me. I don't care that there's a Roomba coming fire me. You want to say hi? You want to show everybody you're not afraid? Say Mommy was worried, but I'm not worried. The Roomba won't hurt me. Where's the Roomba? Where is it? Where is it? Do we care? No? No, we don't care about it. It's just going around, going around, and I'm not worried about it at all. Let it get Mom's feet. I don't care. She's the one that Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know if any of you have dogs that don't care about the Roomba. Apparently I care more than he does. I don't like it going over my That's all for now. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.